Hey guys, Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So without further ado, let's get started.
I've been walking around that lifeline, hoping to make a good time last a while. Pacing around the mini bar, just catching up to where you are. I'll take any excuse, take any excuse.
Just when I let my guard down, it's like you ain't even around.
Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows using the Benefit Brow, which is this one. This is a cream gel brow product, so it is a pomade, and this is what it looks like. It is in shade number 5. This shade is a bit darker for me. I usually used one shade lighter than this one, but since I'm growing my roots already, so I'm going to show you guys what the swatches looks like. So this is what it looks like that. So it is like on a dark brown side, but it's okay, you know. For this product, you can kind of adjust the color. You can make it darker, you can make it lighter. That is totally up to you. Let's go ahead and let's get started. So here we have the Brow Benefit. The good thing about this product is that you already have the brush included, and it is a little bit tiny, but it works anyways. So for the first part, make sure you start from the outer part of your eyebrow, which is the tail, and here I'm going to show you how to do that. And now what you're going to do is you're going to slowly drag the product from the middle to the tip. It's kind of blending it. Do not get more product, because for the pomade you have to be careful because a little goes a long way. And now what you're going to do is you're going to make a light stroke from the inner part of your eyebrow to the middle. Make sure that you use a very light stroke. Do not press on it too heavily, or else your inner eyebrow will become thick, and we do not want that. We want it from light to dark. And when you get to the inner part of your eyebrows, here you can see I am making a short stroke, which means I am creating an illusion of a hairline, and that's what we want to have. Is we want to make an illusion of real hair eyebrow. You can see me going back to my tip of my eyebrow and then moving to the middle again and going back and forth. That is because I am trying to make sure that I am using most of the product and even it out instead of just getting more from the pot, because it's gonna get dark. And as you can see, I've already created an illusion of darker to lightest, and what you want to do is you can kind of go back and forth. The key to making a perfect and natural looking eyebrow is to be patient and keep looking for like bald spot or anything unevenness. And if you think you need more darkness to your eyebrows, go ahead and do that, but avoid getting more from the pot unless you need it. Just like me, I've decided that I need a little bit more on the outer part of my eyebrows, therefore I just dip a little bit but not too much. And then you want to go ahead in the inner part of your eyebrows and make an illusion of hairline stroke. Make sure that you do it upward motion. Since I'm not using a concealer to end this brow look because I want it to be more natural, what I would do is I would usually make it neat by making sure I put a clean line on top of my eyebrow. And you would want to do the same on the bottom part of your eyebrows. And like I said, feel free to go back and forth until you're satisfied with your look. Okay, so as you can see, there's like a really big difference. Like you go from darker to lighter. You don't want to be the inner brow to be the same color as your outer brow, or else it's gonna look so fake. So what you want to do is you want to start from the tip of your eyebrow to make it dark and kind of drag the color across your inner brow and like work your way through it. You know, patience is the key. You have to be patient. Practice makes perfect, so you know, don't get discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. I do have like a really thin eyebrow, so what I do is I kind of just follow my natural eyebrow shape, but at the same time I kind of enhance the shape and add on colors to like bald spot. So yeah, so let me go ahead and finish the other brow. And so like right now, as you can see, like I don't get it the first try. Like you want to make sure that your eyebrows looks like sister, like twin sister. For me, what I do is I make sure that I make like facial expression, just like, you know, like doing like this to my eyebrow, making sure that, you know, they're even and they're not like, you know, far too apart or far too close. So, you know, you're gonna make sure that they are, you know, as close to similar, but you cannot always make it perfect or the same, because our face are not supposed to be symmetrically even, you know, or else it's gonna look weird. So you know how your other eyes is always smaller than the other one, or the other eyes is bigger, so you kind of want to like make it work, you know. You don't have to be perfect, but yeah, so this is my eyebrow look. Some people, what they do is they kind of highlight their brow bone over here. I don't really want to do that. I'm going for a very natural look. So yeah, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So let me know in the comment down below if you want to learn how to use the pencil, the powder, or like the very precise pencil. Anything, just comment down below and I'll try to make it happen. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.